Grounding carport solar systems the right way. Carport solar systems are one of the fastest growing segments in commercial solar, but behind the steel and solar modules is a critical detail that can make or break your inspection: grounding. It's not just a code requirement, it's a safety system, and if you don't get it right, you risk failed inspections, rework, and long-term performance issues. At Pure Power Engineering, we've seen exactly where projects go wrong and how to design carport systems that pass through inspection the first time without costly surprises. Let's start with the basics. Carports are elevated steel structures exposed to the elements, supporting thousands of volts of power and often treated as separate structures under NEC. That means they need their own grounding system, their own bonding strategy, and careful coordination between structural and electrical design. The goal is simple: ensure a safe, continuous path to ground for every conductive component in the system, from the module frames to the racking to the steel structure itself. So what does that look like in practice? Here are Pure Power's top recommendations for carport grounding. First, always treat carports as separate structures. Even if they're just feet away from a building, the NEC requires a dedicated grounding electrode system if they are served by a feeder or contain their own equipment. Second, install ground rods. We recommend at least 2 driven ground rods at each carport array or canopy, bonded together in accordance with NEC 250.53. It's the most reliable way to establish a ground reference, especially in areas with poor soil conductivity. Third, bond all structural steel. Welds alone won't cut it. Use list bonding jumpers or mechanical lugs across expansion joints and bolted connections. Continuity matters, especially in fault conditions. Fourth, don't rely solely on conduit. Pull a dedicated equipment grounding conductor alongside your PV feeders. Conduits may not carry enough fault current, especially across long runs or thermal gaps. Fifth, coordinate with your structural engineer. Grounding lugs, clamps, and jumpers may require field drilling or impose new loads on beams and columns. If it's not accounted for in the structural design, you could void warranties or compromise the system. Sixth, label clearly, document thoroughly. Inspectors expect grounding to be easy to verify. That means grounding notes on plan sets, visible field labels, correct wire sizing, and documented test procedures. Here's what you don't want to do. Skip bonding at steel joints, undersize your grounding connectors, assume conduit is enough, forget to bond module frames, overlook coordination between teams. Grounding failures are one of the top reasons carport systems fail inspection, but they're also one of the most preventable. At Pure Power, we build grounding into the design process from day one, so you don't have to fix it later in the field. We bring together structural and electrical expertise in-house, apply NEC requirements with precision, and deliver systems that are safe, compliant, and ready for construction. Do you need grounding support for your next carport project? Let's connect, because great solar starts from the ground up.